Okay, guys, we at the central bus station. We just arrived here. You had some roti, no?
No, it's finished.
Ah, it's finished. Only rice.
Only rice, the fried rice.
Fried rice and chicken.
Yeah.
Only rice.
Chicken, fried chicken.
Okay, rice and chicken. 1 second. Okay. We have masala tea and coffee. Coffee or masala tea?
We don't have masala tea.
Okay, only coffee and tea?
Yeah.
Oh, coffee and tea. Hot? Cold?
Cold.
Okay, okay. Very good. So, I would like to try chicken. Chicken rice?
Yeah, fried chicken rice.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
I would like one chicken, rice, and a little bit vegetable.
Chicken body.
Oh, yes, okay.
Micro.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, it looks very nice. Chicken, rice, some vegetables. I gotta pay over here? Sometime for yeah, right, for Instagram or something like that. Okay, yeah. Maybe this one. It's very good. Yeah, looks perfect. Yeah, it's awesome. Sure, maybe it's very good. Looks perfect. Different one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, absolutely mind blowing. Oh, very nice. Wow. Okay, it's a special one for me. Very good. So I've got to pay for it. I don't know how much it is exactly. Let's see. And one chicken. Wow. So it's a good deal. So beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. I've got to pay over here. It's very beautiful. If I would like to get some tea, I gotta pay here? Okay, and one tea. One tea, hot tea. Milk tea, hot. Okay. And rice. Okay. Ah, it's 10. I think it's 20. Thank you. Oh, very good. It's a good deal. So, how to get my tea?
No, this is.
Sorry?
You just sit. He was.
Ah, okay. Okay, very nice. Look at this. That is my big and incredible portion, guys. Guys, is here as well. So, very nice. Absolutely mind-blowing. Thank you, guys. So, I gotta take some spoon maybe. Spoon and fork. Oh, very good. Oh, brother. Wait for me. I think it's hot. Okay, guys. Let's check it out. We are here and we are starting to try our incredible dinner after our bus. Let me presentation this food, guys. We got a chicken, vegetables, a lot of different sauce and rice. It looks perfect. I don't know exactly how it is called. Maybe like nasi kandar, correct? Maybe. Oh, thank you, brother. And my tea again. Let's check it out, guys. So, first of all, I would like to try some rice. Oh, so many different flours, guys. It's super good. Every time it's different one here. It's not so spicy. Let's try some vegetables. Yeah, it's very good. Wow, look at this. Super nice. The rice is very nice. Sauce is so rich, flour, a lot of different spices. Very nice. fresh vegetables, some greens. Very nice. Let's check out some chicken, guys. It looks like tandoor chicken. It's very famous thing from India. It's so soft, it's so juicy. It's not deep fried. It's not spicy. Very nice. Yeah. Every time food from Malaysia very good. And some tea as well. Oh, it's tea with milk. A lot of different flavors from that. Because tea in Malaysia very good. Because it's grow up over here, not so far away from here. It's close. It's so strong. A little bit milk. Very good taste. Chicken is very nice. It's very good. Yeah. So, anyway, I would like to enjoy our dinner, then a little bit tea, and after that we're gonna go to take our bus. Let's see how it goes. See you in a while. Alright guys, I'm done our dinner. It was really nice. I'm full of that. Rice, chicken, vegetables were super good. I paid for it around 80 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit, included tea. It's very nice. Absolutely mind-blowing. And now time to traveling. Okay guys, we are continuing our incredible journey around this bus station. Pre-boarding here.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And second one.
Okay, have a nice trip.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. We passed checkpoint and now we gotta wait maybe a few minutes. Alright guys, our bus over here. Thank you, terima kasih. Okay, I guess that is our bus, Jasmine. So you gotta drop our stuff over here. Okay guys, that is our bus over here. We are getting on the bus. Okay, looks similar as usual, and we are here. We continue our journey. It's pretty nice, pretty big, pretty comfortable. Guess it's gonna be a okay trip. Let's see how it goes. Oh my gosh, very good. So here we go.